Hey friends, today we're going to show you how to uninstall and install a car battery. You might be stuck on the road or you might need a new battery. Come with me, don't be scared, let's have some coffee, let's do this together. The car that we're going to use today is a 2006 Honda CR-V. To locate the battery, usually they're at the very edge of the cars. In this case, the car battery is located here on the left hand side, which is the driver's side. You will require a simple socket set and ratchet, or an open wrench or a monkey wrench. In most cars, the socket you might need is a size 10, size 11, size 12, size 13. In this case, we're going to use size 10 and a regular ratchet to unbuckle the bolts. Before we do anything, the main thing we need to do is locate where the positive and where the negative terminal is. Usually, the positive terminal is red and the negative terminal is black. You'll have indications on the battery and on the terminals itself that one will say it's positive, like in this case, so positive, and it's red, and negative. You can also, another indicator is when the positive is thicker in diameter and the negative is smaller in diameter. So then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have to remove the mounting brackets. So the mounting brackets are located differently in each car. In this car, it's held by this mounting bracket from this bolt onto here. So we're going to release it by loosening it up. Place that there. Now we're going to remove this mounting bracket, put it on here. We're going to release the negative terminal. The terminals are these things here. So we're going to release that, and then now we're going to release the positive terminal. Once that is released, we're going to jiggle out the positive terminal and the negative terminal. And then we're just going to remove the casing. Once the casing is removed, you can now remove the car battery. Now once you find a car battery that is suitable for your car, you're going to put it back in. And do the reverse. So once you put the car battery back onto the platform or its base, we're going to put the casing back on. Once you know it's nice and snug, we're going to put back the bracket that was holding the battery in place. Place it here. We're going to tighten it up. And then we're going to put back the negative battery terminal. We're going to tighten it up by rotating it clockwise. Make sure nice and snug. We're going to put back the positive terminal. Make sure that's nice and snug. Making sure that it's snug all the way. So once it's snug, you can tell that it's not going to jiggle around too much. Place this cap back on and jiggle in, and it's just that easy. Remember what I tell you, positive is the red one, negative is the black one. So when you get stuck on the highway and your car won't start, remember what I told you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.